what's up guys? Hey, what's up guys? Hey, what's up guys? Hey, what's up guys? This is me Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel Daily Yogi. A lot of you have requested that I do a voiceover in my videos, so here I am talking over a microphone. Today's video is going to be another graphic eyeliner look, and this trend is said to be really big and trending in the year of 2018. And today I have another graphic eyeliner that I'm going to be sharing and showing you how to achieve with just maybe perhaps 3 makeup products. If you have extremely oily eyelids, then you may need to actually prep your eyelids with an eyelid primer and set it down with a loose setting powder, and then go ahead and you just need to use any eyeliner in black that you have, and use any tools of your choice like a very thin fine brush that will help you achieve these very strong statement looking eyes. So without any further ado, let's get into it. For this look, I'm going to be using the Essence Super Precise Eyeliner. I like it because of its fine tip, and I'm going to be drawing a rather very decent thickness of a eyeliner across my top lash line, as you can see me doing here, and I'm winging it out just a tiny bit. The key to attempting this graphic eyeliner is not to go in with just one straight stroke and manage to get it all right. That doesn't work like that. You have to keep working in very short fine strokes, just to make sure that you map out the graphic eyeliner before you go in and thicken out the lines. So here I'm just dragging it slightly until I like how fine of a wing I want it to look like. Once I like how the outer wing is looking like, I'm going in with the inner corners of the eye and forming a small triangular form that kind of connects the upper and lower lash line just where the tear duct is, and I'm just straightening it across to make it look very uniform. So the key here is to just go in with very small short strokes, just so that you can have a quick look at how far you're going. And the next step is to form another rainbow type of a crease line just where the crease is. Once you have the kind of shape going on, now you can go ahead and thicken out the line. Just beneath the wing, I'm forming another parallel line, and voila, this is how this graphic eyeliner is looking like. And we gotta finish the eye makeup look off with some mascara, and you can definitely go in with a black or dark kohl kajal pencil for your upper tight line and lower lash line, and there you go, we are done. That's it for today's video guys. I really hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one.